Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can buy the Swiss Travel Pass. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you want to do is just type in Swiss Travel Pass into Google, and the top result should be this website and the URL should be sbb.ch. From there we can head over to this section where it says Swiss Travel Pass, and we just want to scroll down a little bit. Now in order to actually buy it, we just want to look for this option here and this big red button that says buy now. And all we have to do is go ahead and click on that. And from here we can choose either the Swiss Travel Pass or the Swiss Travel Pass Flex. So if you didn't know the difference, the normal travel pass gives unlimited travel across the Swiss travel system for a continuous period of 3, 4, 6, 8 or 15 days. The Swiss Travel Pass Flex is similar but very different. It gives you unlimited travel for either 3, 4, 6, 8 or 15 days with an overall period of a month. So you just want to choose whichever one is relevant to you. However, for this option, I'm just going to choose the Swiss Travel Pass for 3 days. So you just have to click on it in order to buy it. And from there, it gives us the option. We can either sign in with Swiss Pass, and this will give us faster purchases, tickets visible on the app, and simpler refunds. Or if we don't want to do that, we can go ahead and continue as a guest by clicking this button down here. From there, you'll just have to fill in some details, such as the passengers that will be with you, as well as choosing whether you want second or first class. You can also choose when it's valid from. So when you're happy with that, you can go ahead and click continue. And then from there, you will have to enter in some details, such as the overview of the passengers. So you just want to basically fill out all these details with your own personal information. And once you've successfully done that and paid for it, you will have then bought the Swiss Travel Pass. And after that, you can check your emails and you should have received an email like this, which includes a PDF. And when we open that up, it should look something like what's on screen now. And this is actually our travel pass. And from there, we'll be able to show this travel pass when we are looking to travel with the Swiss Travel Pass. So that's exactly how you can buy the Swiss Travel Pass. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.